How to add the interpreter listening mode widget to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on wallpaper and style. Then tap on the left hand side panel. Next, tap on the widget panel here. Now scroll down, then tap on interpreter, and then you can choose a large listening mode widget or a medium size. So here we can choose a small size, and that will be added to your widget panel. Now at the top here, tap on the done button to finish, and then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. After that, tap on the side button here, press it to go to your lock screen, and then you can quickly open up the listening mode interpreter by tapping on it. And here it's going to listening mode. So listening will translate English to Korean. Hello there, how are you? And that's it. So it will continue to do that. As long as you continue to speak, it will listen to you and then perform the translation. And that's it. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.